Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and more cleaning progress as I go through this bin. All this stuff was in this bin. Okay, we have a Pokemon dongle. It's supposed to go on your Pokemon machine. We have a Mac Macally Mini. I think this is a laser mouse. I'll have to look it up. I haven't used this in ages, but it should still work. Well, that will go in the bottom of the bin if I can wrap the cord around to it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB flash drives. Now, one of these goes to Sylvester the cat, and I think this one goes to the Yoda, and I have the body of the Yoda somewhere, and this is the Yoda head. So 4 flash drives. We have the wall mount for I think my original airport. We have half of a pair of broken glasses. We have this, which the Velcro came off. This is a rubberized thing to hold your mouse. I'll have to fix that. We have this that goes to something, and I can't remember what this is. This is Nerf or something. All right, we have the back of some device, probably a remote. I think it might be my original Sony remote. I'll have to figure that out. I have 4 of these now. I think they're for the iPhone 5S, but I'm not sure. My Pirates money clip. And let me see what happened with this. There it goes. Okay, and this is, I have another one with a pumpkin that's broken, but I'll show this to you. This is my Hanukkah USB light, which I used to have on my other Mac if I ever get it back from Kathy. And this changes colors. And I don't know how well you're seeing that. But and then this is a pair of speakers, battery operated, but it plugs in to the USB port, and it works. It plugs into the speaker port, I'm sorry, and it works. And then yet another mouse with batteries. Again, an Apple mouse. I don't know what it is. I'll have to look that up. And then 2 USB cables. And then the Puck mouse, the worst mouse Apple ever made. This is horrible. It still works, but it's terrible. And a pair of earbuds that work. And finally, and I didn't know where this is the Philips car charger for my DVD player. So I've got that now. And this plugs into your DVD player and the cigarette lighter. And a lot of cars are not making cigarette lighters anymore. So this is what I pulled out. Oh, I got one more thing. What is this? Hold on. Oh, that's that. Okay. And there's another. Whoop! Oh, there with my mouse. There's another set of. Hold on. Just dropped the mouse on the floor. Stay, mouse. Do not go on the floor again. Be nice, mouse. Battery wants to keep kicking the mouse off the floor. There goes the battery on the floor. And then we have another set of earbuds, and I'll test these out. And I'll disconnect. I'll put away the speaker, and that does work. I played the Sugar Zone with it, so that works. That's all the stuff I took out of this bin behind the Westinghouse monitor. All right. So more cleaning, and my hair is not combed. Sorry about that. And slowly going through stuff bit by bit. Whoa. And what we're going to do right here is go back. No. We're not going to go back. We're not going to go back. Kathy liked that song, but I'm not going to play that song. So I got to get rid of that. Some troglodyte caveman. I don't know where she found this weird thing. All right, hold on. I'm trying to put this cover back on here. Okay, so that's it. Let's see what this looks like myself. Let's see. Hold on. How the hell do I get on? Oh, it's too bright to show up. Or the light is too bright. Wait a minute. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now watch it be persnickety and not change colors. There we go. It takes a while. I have a pumpkin. The orange piece is broken. I'm going to have to rig something up to put a piece in the broken pumpkin that works. And I found that at the spirit store years ago, and I'd like to get it working. There's my Hanukkah light. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day and stay warm, wet, dry, or safe out there as I go through more stuff. And, gee, the battery's just still working in this thing. Amazing. Rechargeable batteries seem to last almost forever. And I go through more stuff and do more cleaning. So this was behind the monitor on the Mac desk, and I'll put all this stuff away except for the speakers. And I can find the rest of Yoda and I have several thumb drives now that I didn't know where they were. So that's it for now. Have a great day. Stay safe out there, and I'll be back with another video whenever I do one, as I keep going through cleaning and throw stuff out and figure out where stuff is and put it all away in the drawers so it is not cluttering up the desk. All right. Bye-bye.